Gray skies above me, the rain won't stop. Your memory falls like the drops. Empty streets and a frozen heart. I knew we'd break, but not apart. The autumn wind still calls your name, but nothing here feels quite the same. The nights are long, the lights are low, and you're the ghost I can't let go. You're my lost love in the coldest rain, a faded picture wrapped in pain. The flowers die, the colors turn to gray, and with your goodbye the sun went away. I'm walking through this lonely town. Since you left, all I see is down. Leaves keep falling one by one, just like the dreams we never won. I hear your voice inside my mind, but when I turn there's nothing left to find. December lies inside my soul, a broken story, an empty road. If love was meant to stay forever, why did we end in stormy weather? You're my lost love in the coldest rain, a fading picture wrapped in pain. The flowers died, the colors turned to gray, and with your goodbye the sun went away. Now every night I stand alone, talking to memories carved in stone.